addition and subtractions of fraction. Addition of fractions. Rule 1. For adding two like fractions, the numerator are added and the denominator remains the same. For adding two like fractions, here both are the like fractions, 9 and 9 in the place of denominator. The numerator are added, only here numerator will be added. The numerator are added, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 and 9 remain here the same. Again, in next questions, 8 by 15 plus 6 by 15, 15 is in the place of numerator, so it becomes the LCM. 15 is the place of denominator, it becomes the LCM, and 8 plus 6 will be added, and it becomes 14. So the answer is 14 by 15. Rule 2. For addition of two unlike fractions, first change them to like fractions. Unlike fractions will change into like fractions, and then add them as given in rule number 1. Add 3 by 10 plus 8 by 15. 10 and 15 both are the place of denominator, so take the LCM of them. So the LCM here, 5 2 are 10 and 10 3 are 30. 30 is the LCM of both numbers. So 30 is divided by 10, we obtain 3, and when we multiplied it 3 by 10, so we obtain 9 by 13. Again 8 by 15, 30 is divided by 15, we obtain 2, and in these fractions we have to multiply it by 2, so 16 by 30. So 9 by 30 and 16 by 30, the value of 3 by 10 plus 8 by 15, this when it change into the like fractions, the value of the both fractions are 9 by 30 and 16 by 30. So the LCM is here 30. So 9 plus 16, numerator will be added and it becomes 25 by 30. So 5 is the common divisor of both these fractions. So 5 jars and 5 6 jar. So 5 by 6 here, 5 by 6 is the answer. Shortcut method, 3 by 10 plus 8 by 15. So LCM, the LCM of 10 and 15 are 30. So here 3 we may write, take the LCM 30 the LCM is 30. 30 will be divided by 10, we obtain 3. So 3 will be multiplied by 3, so it obtains 9. Again 30 will be divided by 15, we obtain 2, so 2 will be multiplied by 8, it becomes 16. And when both will be added, so it becomes 25 by 30. 5 is the common divisor and it will be divided by 5, so we obtain 5 by 6. This one the shortcut method, and mostly students have done this process. All these questions they have done. Example number 8. Find the sum 13 by 14 plus 27 by 35. Here the same process, we will take the LCM and then we will do properties of addition of fraction. Properties of additions of fractions. The first rule, additions of a fraction is associative. Addition of fraction is associative. A by B plus C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B plus C by D plus E by F. rule additions of fractions associative. In associative, we have remembered three digits or three fractions will be given and they may arrange in any order. Here a by b plus c by d is under bracket plus e by f is equal to a by b is out of the bracket and c by d plus e by f is in under bracket. So it may be arranged. Additions of a fractions in commutative. In commutative fractions, the same process, two fractions or two numbers have given and they can arrange in any order. A by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. Subtractions of fractions. The subtractions of a fractions can be performed in a manner similar to that of addition. Example number 9. Find the difference 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Here, what we have 9 is in the place of denominator and these are same, both are same. So LCM of both fraction is 9 and 7 minus 5, the numerator will be subtracted and our answer will be 2 by 9. In the second example and third examples all have done on the same process. Example number 10. Simplify 5 by 9 minus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM of them 9, 12 and 2. We obtain here 36. So by the shortcut method which we have done earlier, 9, 12 and 2, the LCM is 36. 36 will be divided by 9 and so we obtain 4, the quotient is 4 and 4 will be multiplied by 5. Here 5 4 ja 20. Once again 36 will be divided by 12 and we obtain 3 in the place of quotient and the quotient will be multiplied by 7. 7 3 ja 21 and the sign will be same followed what the fractions has given. 2. 36 will be divided by 2, we obtain 18 and 18 will be multiplied by 1, here 18 1 ja 18. 20 and 18 is in the place, both are positive integers, it will be added and 21 will be subtracted. So both will be added and it becomes 38, 38 minus 21, here 17 and 17 by 36. This is the method for so this is the method to solve this question. This one the mixed fraction and mixed fractions will change into improper fractions. After that we do the question on the same process. Here 3 whole 1 by 5. We have 3 whole 1 by 5 plus 2 whole 1 by 10 minus 1 whole 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16 by 5. 2 10 are 20 plus 1 21 by 10. 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 and 1 by 4. Here all these fractions is written here improper fractions. After that all denominators are different, so take the LCM and then we do the same process what we have done in earlier question. In example number 12, Sarita bought 5 whole 3 by 4 kg potatoes and 3 whole 1 by 2 kg tomatoes from a vendor. What is the total weight of vegetables bought by her? This was the word problem and very simple, but fail to understand what the question has said. Here total, it means we have to add. So total weight of vegetables bought by Sarita. So it is in mixed fraction. The question is in mixed fraction. Make it in improper fraction. Once again 3 whole 1 by 2 kg. It is a mixed fraction and change into improper fraction. 3 5 4 ja 20 plus 3 23 by 4 and 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 7 by 2. the denominator is differ. 4, take the LCM of 4 and 2, we obtain 4. So 23 will be written, and 4 will be divided by 2, we obtain 2. 2 into 7, 2 7 are 14. So 23 plus 14, added them, it becomes 37. 37 by 4. Once again, here 37 by 4, it's a improper fraction. Your question is in mixed fractions. Now the answer will be also in mixed fractions. So 37 will be divided by 4. 4 9 ja 36, and 1 is in remainder. So remainder will be written as the form of numerator, and the divisor will be written in the form of denominator. This one your answer. The same question in what problem? Rohit ate 4 by 7 part of an apple and his sister Ritu ate the remaining part of it. Who ate more and by how much? Compare, because who ate more? The question is, part of apple eaten by Rohit is 4 by 7. A remaining part of the apple, remaining, here 1 is the whole. You have asked the question, sir, 1 has come from where? So 1, it means the whole. 7 by 7. Suppose the full part of the apple is 7. When 7 by 7, it will be divided and it makes 1. So the 1 is a whole part. And 1 minus 4 by 7, just suppose 7 by 7 7 by 7 minus 4 by 7, what we get? 7 minus 7, here 7, 7 minus 4, the 3. So the same things. So hope you understand where this number has come. Now, part of an apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 7. So who, compare it, who ate more? In this question, so who ate more and by how much? By how much, it means you have to subtract them. So 4 by 7 part is greater than 3 by 7. So 4 by 7 part is eaten by Rohit. So Rohit ate more. Difference of their parts, 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7. The remainder, the denominator is same. So we have to subtract only numerator. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 1 by 7. This one the answer. Hope you understand these questions. In question number 14, what should be added to 15 whole 2 by 3 to get 18 whole 5 by 6? What should be added? Required number to be added is equal to 18 whole 5 by 6 minus 15 whole 2 by 3. Because here what number should be added? It means from this number we have to add anything, suppose x. So it becomes 18 whole 5 by 6. It means this, it is the sum of both numbers. So the sum of both number minus given number, you got your required number. This one the mixed fractions. When mixed fractions will change into improper fraction, it becomes 113 by 6 minus 47 by 3. Take the LCM of them, 6 and 3. 6 the LCM is 6. 113 will be written. One thing is very important for you, the LCM and denominator both are same, so the numerator will be written as it is, and 3, here 6 will be divided by 3, so 2 is in the place of quotient, 47 will be multiplied by 2 and it makes 94. 113 minus 94 is equal to 19. 19 by 6. So 3 whole 1 by 6 is the answer of this question. What should be subtracted? Once again, what should be subtracted? 17 whole 3 by 4 to get 11 whole 2 by 3. Required number is subtracted. This one not the sum. This one the difference of the getting number is the difference of both number. So it will be subtracted from the given number. And in these questions, these are 18 by 18 whole 5 by 6 is the sum of these numbers. That's why sum of these numbers minus given number, we got the required number. The difference between them here added and subtracted. Once again, so both 17 whole 3 by 4 minus 11 whole 2 by 3, and these are the improper fractions. So make it in, these are the mixed fractions, make it in improper fractions. After that 4 and 3 both are the different denominator, take the LCM. After that when you get that LCM, 12 you get the LCM is 12. 12 will be divided by 4, we obtain 3, and 71 is multiplied by 3, it becomes 213. Once again 12 will be divided by 3, we get 4, and 4 will be multiplied by 35, it makes 140. 213 minus 140 is equal to 73 by 12. It is improper fraction. So improper fraction, whenever your answer is in the form of improper fractions, you must have to change into mixed fraction, and this mixed fraction is the answer of this. Okay, hope this chapter, all the properties as well as the examples I have given you as a look like in class. So this exercise you have to solve, and wherever you have a problem you may write related questions in comment box. I will solve it and upload it in your YouTube channel.